Assalamu alaikum, my children, and a very good morning to all of you. Myself, Amber Latif, and I am over here to tell you that how you will do your assignment number 2 of the geometry. The assignment number 2 is connected with your assignment number 1, the very first lecture of your geometry, in which you have learned the new terms about the geometry like lines, point, straight line, line segment, and of course the parallel lines. So today we are going to recall that what exactly parallel lines are, and then we are going to draw them also. As you can see, the definition of the parallel line is present in front of you, and you have written in your copies as well that parallel lines are lines which do not meet, intersect or touch each other. The distance between two parallel lines remains the same. And then you have learned that how you will draw the parallel lines. You are going to draw the parallel lines in such a way that the distance between them remains the same. You cannot change this distance from the beginning to the end. The distance between these lines will be the same, and these two lines will remain apart from each other. Apart from each other means they will remain at a distance of each other. And then you have to do the proper labeling of the parallel lines, as I have done it over here. Arrows must be present at both of the ends because these are the straight line. Then you have to name each end of the line with the capital alphabet. As you can see, this is the line AB and this is the line CD. Then you have to write down under your diagram that what exactly your diagram is. These two straight lines are the symbol of the parallel lines. So today we are going to draw it also by the help of the given measurements. Okay children, the assignment number 2 heading will come on the red line. On whichever date you will attempt, the date will come on the left side. Then the topic parallel lines heading will be written like this. You can use any dark color. Now I will explain you that how many types of questions can come in the paper, or what are the forms of the questions that will come in the paper. The first type is they can give you that draw parallel lines 3 centimeter apart. Over here you have to understand the meaning of apart. Apart means that the distance between the lines should be this. Apart means that the lines should be away from each other by this distance. And the parallel lines measurement can be any, you can choose it by your own self, but the distance between those lines must be 3 centimeter. This is one type of the question. Another type of the question is that you have to draw the parallel lines of 6 centimeter. Sometimes they will give you the, sometimes they can give you the measurement of the lines also, like over here. Draw parallel lines of 6 centimeter. Over here they are telling you that the parallel lines should be of 6 centimeter, like both of the lines should be of 6 centimeter, but apart should be 2.5 centimeter. That means the distance between these two lines must be 2.5 centimeter, and the measurement of these straight lines should be 6 centimeter, both of these lines. Now I'm going to tell you that how you are going to draw it on the interleave page. Again I'm going to repeat my instructions that the diagrams will come on the interleave page. I am selecting these questions to be drawn in front of you, and the remaining two questions you will do it by your own self. Now over here they are saying that draw parallel lines 3 centimeter apart. First of all, I have to select a scale, a centimeter scale, of which the two parallel lines should be. For example, I am selecting that my parallel line should be of 5 centimeter, for example. 5 centimeter means that the straight lines measurement should be 5 centimeter. I am going to come on the interleave page, and now I am going to put the dots according to the measurement which I have selected. I am saying that I am going to draw the parallel lines of 5 centimeter. So what I am going to do, I am going to put the exact dots on 5 centimeter. I'm going to start making my line from the 0 point. I'm going to put one dot on 0 like this, and the other dot on 5 like this. Okay, then they are saying that the distance should be between these lines should be of 3 centimeter. First I'm going to join this one. This is my 5 centimeter line. Now I'm going to select that how much distance will be of 3 centimeter, because 3 centimeter should be the apart distance, the distance between the lines. So I'm going to put one dot over here on the 0. Now I got the distance. This much distance is of 3 centimeter. I'm going to remove my scale and then again put this scale on the dot and measure the second line which I have selected 5 centimeter. Now I'm going to draw a 5 centimeter line from here till here. I am done now. This should be of 5 centimeter, this should be of 5 centimeter, but the distance between these two lines must be 3 centimeter. Then I'm going to remove my scale and do the labeling. Now here I am selecting any dark color for doing the labeling. For example, for putting the arrows I am selecting the blue color. I'm going to put one arrow on this side because it's in line, one arrow on this side, then the second arrow over here, and then this one arrow over here. Now I'm going to select any other dark color for writing the alphabets. For example, here I'm going to name it's A, line A, this is B. You can give any of the name, but it should be in sequence. This is my C and this is my D. A, B, C, D. Now I'm going to write down the measurements which I have selected. You can write down with the pencil, or you can use your color pencils as well. This I took 5 centimeters, so I'm going to write down 5 centimeter over here. This was also 5 centimeter. I'm going to write down 5 centimeter over here. But this much distance was of 3 centimeter as it was mentioned in the question. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mention it over here like this, dotted lines, to show that this distance is of 3 centimeter. That's it. And then in the middle you are going to mention that it is 3 centimeter. Now you can say that line AB is parallel to line CD. Under the diagram, the description should be written like this, that line AB is parallel to CD because this symbol is for the parallel lines. This is the correct way of drawing or making the parallel lines. Make sure that your pencil should be sharp or pointed as I have taken it over here. Your scale should be clean and the proper measurement of centimeter must be present, and whatever color you are using for the labeling, they should be the dark colors as I have taken it over here. This next questions you will do it by your own self. I hope you understand what I try to explain it today. Best of luck for the rest of the assignment.